Hey guys, welcome back to DIY Destination. I'm doing my product reviews today. Let me start with my primer that I didn't really demonstrate or make a video on, but if you're following me on Instagram, then you know all about it. So I took this from an aloe vera plant and then used jojoba oil and a little bit of filtered water is what it said. I recommended you could use rose water too. I just didn't want to use rose water, so I just used normal water. Got my cotton pad here and I'm just gonna show you all. This is what it looks like. Kind of slimy from the aloe vera plant, and I used this morning, and the recipe that I took it from on Pinterest said this only lasts like a week, up to a week to 2 weeks depending, and I've been refrigerating it because our temperature is just not very stable indoors, so I'm a little concerned that it's pink. It has not been pink, but putting it on still feels the same, like put it on my face here, and I think it works overall as a good primer. I don't know if it does like entirely what a primer should do. I'm not a makeup expert and I don't wear makeup enough to really know. So other than primers kind of use that base to smooth out pores like a canvas or whatever. So I will put it on my face here, and it feels really good. Still feels about the same, and I think it does a very good fine like coverage for what a primer would do. So like say you ran out of primer and you have an aloe vera plant with you, you can certainly make this. It's not really much of an investment as far as money wise. You have the plant. I mean, you get plants, aloe vera plants from like the store, anywhere really. So that's my verdict on this. I mean, it's definitely was fun to make it. It's fun to use, and I'll probably make it again because I don't have primers, so rather than going out and buying, I probably would just make this again because we have plants growing right out there. Overall, pretty good. Face wash. I've been using this for 2 weeks. Absolutely love it. Totally worth the investment versus what you'd pay to buy a store-bought face wash for what you paid to buy Castile soap and a little bit of jojoba oil and whatever essential oil you want to put in here. I put only 3 drops of tea tree oil, and that's still a little irritating to my skin. So I do not use this every day because of that. I want to be very, very careful of that. So next time I make it, I probably won't use the tea tree oil at all. But yeah, so we have, it separates, and you just give it a good little shake here, and I'll show you how that works. So I like to use hot water, so I'm gonna let the water run here, make sure it gets nice and hot while I prepare for my face to be washed. Okay, that's not cool. My hair, cooperate. Alright. Little like intermission music. Okay. I'm gonna get my water's hot. I'm gonna wet my face because that's what you do when you wash your face. You didn't know you were gonna learn how to wash your face today when you watched my product review, but guess what? You're gonna learn how to wash your face. How to wash your face 101. Okay, hot water. Just a good shake. A couple pumps, and bam! We're gonna rub it together. See, it's all nice and foamy. We're gonna put it on. It could be like in one of those commercials here. Gently massage it into your face like so. Oh, you know what they use? What do they use? What is it called? I don't know what it's called, but I have one. Hold on, hold that thought. Hold that thought. You can turn off the water. You don't have to have it on the entire time. Hold that thought. Okay, where is it? I found it. Okay, are you ready for this? I think you're ready this. I'm going to put a little bit of water on it. And ta-da! I honestly don't remember what this is called. If I remember, I'm going to look it up afterwards and I'll put it in the description below. There we go. We're going to, ow, I'm going to put it on the lower setting. We're going to gently massage it into your skin. I'm using this as a mirror, so if I'm not looking at you guys, no offense. It's because I need to see what I'm doing in the mirror. I got this from Mary Kay, so you can see it's a Mary Kay brand. I used to be a Mary Kay consultant. To those of you who are wondering why I'm always bringing up Mary Kay and I'm using all these Mary Kay products, because I used to be a Mary Kay consultant. So I have these products. Okay. Oh my goodness, that actually kind of hurt my cheeks. My face hurts. Okay, not from the face wash. And we're gonna take it like this, and my cerulean blue washcloth. I don't know if it's cerulean blue. Is it cerulean blue? Does it look cerulean blue? I kind of just wanted to say cerulean blue, like from the movie, The Devil Wears Prada. Cerulean blue. Meryl Streep. It's a good movie. You should watch it. We can all have like a movie night together and watch it. Okay, so I have that. I'm gonna put that down here. I'm gonna dry my face. Now, I use just the jojoba oil as a moisturizer, so I have it here. As you can tell, I don't know if you guys can tell, I have like about that much left, so a good portion of it left for using it for 2 weeks as a moisturizer. I do this every day, so I don't use my face wash every day because of the tea tree oil, but I do use this every day. And there's like 5 tablespoons in there, so a little bit like goes a long way. I'm just gonna kind of, I just let it pour out a little bit and let it kind of soak on there, like so. See? Then we're just gonna massage it in little circlets. I didn't put enough on. You can tell too. If it's not like gliding, then you probably don't have enough oil. You can also do like oil cleanses too, which is kind of like what this is doing. I use this to take off my makeup. I did notice that about this face wash. If you have a lot of makeup on, it's not going to really do necessarily a very good job of taking it off. So you will want to take off your makeup first, which if you have the jojoba oil, you can use that to just take off your makeup, take off your eye makeup. It's safe to put on your eyes, which is nice. So you can definitely do that and then wash your face, and then just kind of, like I would use it, maybe like put it on like one of those round cotton pads, just to kind of a once over to semi take it off, or especially your eye makeup, and then use the rest for that. So this is under hot water. I'm just gonna put it on my face here and pat it down. Just gonna let it soak in to my skin. There we go. And then I just leave it at that. This is something I'd recommend doing, the jojoba oil, I'd recommend doing it at night when you're not going to put makeup on your face. So if you're about to put makeup on your face, either use less oil or don't use it at all. Because it will, I mean, as you can tell, my face, you can tell the oil is on there, and it'll eventually absorb into my face a little bit more. So I do this more of like a nightly routine. So that's how I wash my face, and that's my face wash. Highly, highly recommend. I will put what I used to make this in the description down below, so you will have that on my Amazon links and everything there. But but I highly recommend this instead of store-bought, for sure.
So if you guys try any of these items that I have, you can know on Instagrams, take a picture of it, send it my way, and let me know your thoughts on it. Would love to see what you did, if you guys did anything different or did the same thing and how it worked out for you. If you guys have any suggestions or anything you want to see me try, you're too scared to try yourself, definitely leave a comment down below with your suggestions. Thanks for joining me on my DIY product review, guys. Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more DIY options for what's coming up next. Follow me on Instagram for sneak previews of my next video. I will see you guys next time.